Aquos Pressure Washer is marketed as a powerful cleaning tool that supposedly blasts away dirt, grime, mold, and stains with minimal effort. But the real question is, does it actually make cleaning effortless, or is the marketing exaggerating what it can realistically do? Now, to be fair, pressure washers are genuinely useful tools, and even mid-range electric models can significantly speed up outdoor cleaning compared to using a hose alone. What it does well can noticeably improve cleaning speed. Pressure washers genuinely work well for removing dirt, mud, algae, and surface grime from driveways, patios, siding, and outdoor furniture. Electric models are easier for casual homeowners. Compared to large gas-powered units, compact electric pressure washers are usually quieter, lighter, and easier to maintain. Where it falls short, marketing often exaggerates effortless cleaning. This is the biggest issue. Pressure washers still require setup, hose connections, movement, aiming, and sometimes scrubbing for stubborn stains. Likely not as powerful as commercial units. Many ads make compact electric washers look industrial grade, but smaller home models usually cannot match the pressure and cleaning speed of professional gas-powered machines. Heavy stains may still require chemicals or scrubbing. Oil stains, deep mold, rust, and embedded grime often need detergents, surface cleaners, or repeated passes. So, is the Aquos Pressure Washer effortless cleaning or false promises? Short answer: it probably works fine for normal household cleaning, but the ads likely oversell the experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.